business. Don't miss MVP's bonus days happening now at Lowe's.
What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're going to do up pig shots. Yes, I know, you've seen them done on many other videos, but today, we're going to do them just a little bit different, just to keep it interesting. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. First thing first, we're going to go ahead and chop up this jalapeno. This is going to be for our cheese mixture now. Before we go ahead and move on to cutting our sausage up, we're going to go ahead and move on to making our cheese mixture. Got the jalapenos in there. Put our cream cheese. Pour in our cheese. We've got shredded Vermont cheese, some mild cheddar cheese, and some sharp cheddar cheese. Today we're using some Saints and Sinners Sweet Heat and some of the pork rub, the butt dust. Just a couple of tablespoons a piece. Go ahead and start stirring that around. It's a good idea to let your cream cheese come up to room temperature before start stirring this around and incorporating this together. So I'll bring you back once this is all stirred together. It's all incorporated, so now we're going to go ahead and take it and put it into our plastic bag. Now we're going to go ahead and start cutting up our sausage rounds. You want them at least about an inch thick. End doesn't count because it's just too small. But we're still going to go ahead and smoke that up anyway. Take our bacon. I've already sliced open the packaging. Go ahead, cut that bacon directly in half. Now here comes the fun part. Go ahead, take that sausage. Take your bacon. And wrap it. And poke it on through. As if my fingers decide to work today. There we go. Now, we're going to go ahead and take one of our jalapeno slices, stick it on the bottom. Let's try take two. We're not done yet. We're going to hit it up with a little sweet heat. We're going to top them with a jalapeno. you don't like spice, steer clear of this recipe. You want you some spice? This is all about it. Alright people, we are working on the Pit Boss Classic. We're running B&B pellets, the cherry, pecan, and post oak. We're running at 350 degrees for the next hour. We are 40 minutes in. They're looking real good. We're going to go ahead and hit it up with some barbecue sauce real quick. We're going to pull them off in just a couple minutes. They're cooking up real fast this time. So we're going to pull them off in just a couple minutes. We're not going to let them go the whole hour. Alright, we done. We'll go ahead and pull these off. Let them rest.
Business. Don't miss MVP's bonus days happening now at Lowe's. Pricing and offers subject to change at any.
And we're done. Literally takes no time at all. Let's go ahead and take a taste. Pull out your toothpick because you don't want to eat that. That'll hurt. Oh yeah, people. Right level of spice knocks you out. All that jalapeno. Oh yeah, people. Then you got all the spices from S&S. Just 1-2 punch. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.